Let's now talk about a bar graph. A bar graph is very similar to a line graph. And so remember, you have to do those steps again. So step one, say what kind of graph it is, say how it's measured, what it's measuring. You want to report a high and a low feature, and then you also want to give a conclusion. So for this particular graph, we'll just be talking about the high and low. So we can start off here on the low end, and then we'll be going to the end. And our trend here is that it's increasing. So let's follow these steps to report this image. So we can first say what kind of graph it is. It's a bar graph or a bar chart. And what is it measuring? It displays the percentage of Japanese citizens age 65 and over in the future from 2020 to 2040. Notice that the way I'm presenting how it's measured and the title of the graph are the same. It's okay to go ahead and read the title. That's fine. You only have 40 seconds, so it's just easier to just read the title. That way we can just say how it's measured or what it's measuring. Alright, so now let's give the high and low features, those two dots on our graph. So the proportion of elderly Japanese will rise considerably over the years, rising from 16% in 2020 and surging to about 30% in 2040. Overall, the percentage of Japanese who are age 65 and over will almost double in the future. So we have all the parts we need. We're just giving a high and low feature, and then we're giving a conclusion talking about overall what is happening in our graph. And this altogether too would also be 5 points. So if you only want to do 3 points for your score, that would be if you don't have a conclusion, or if you don't give both a high and a low.